Hello everyone, today I will show you two Linux file commands. Welcome to How to Linux channel. Let's start. When you join the company to work, you may not see the desktop because the OS slow down the server. Don't forget this. That's why we need to learn these commands. I'm using Ubuntu server without OS like real Linux server. Let's try ls commands. We see the desktop. Let's create some folders. We have test. We can make one test one. You see that we create the folder. If you want to delete this, use this command like this. You delete the file. And all right, let's go in. Yeah, this is the test folder. If you want to create txt file, like using touch, like test file .txt, and you see the test file, or use echo hello worlds to test file .txt, and we can use nano test file.txt. You see in the file. If you wanna save the file or write out Control O and file name to write to on this txt file, enter, and that's it, and Control X, and that's it, and clear. You see the ls file like this. This is most using commands in Linux server because you need to see desktop like OS, and you create some Linux server. You need to make this sudo this like get updates, and you need to enter the password. Yeah, this command is actually a list of available packages, not upgrade. If you wanna install this package, like sudo same get upgrade, this is the install your package. And do you want to continue? Yes, and you install the available packages. It's take a while, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Yeah, it's done, and we clear it, and I'm gonna show you. You know the cd commands, like cd and 2 dots, like moves one directory up, like where am I? All right, like this. We going to home folder, you see, and cd Ubuntu, you see the files again. All right, maybe you want to delete this test file txt. I'm going to show you before to rm commands, but I'm going to show you again. Rm test file txt, and you delete this. That's all. This is the simple. If you wanna force delete, maybe you can deny it, permission denied or something else. I don't know. I'm not used before this comments, but rm f, it's mean force delete. Rm delete, and this is the force delete. All right, maybe you know this, but POUD, like URL or something else, you know, file destination. Yep. All right, clear it. If you want to copy any file, we create again txt file echo hello worlds again. All right. Greeter test file txt. Yeah, you see the test file. All right, we want to copy this file like home directory, cp source, it's mean test file txt to destination. You need a destination here, like home. Oops, you see the permission denied. Cp test file txt to home directory. Yeah, we are getting permission denied. All right, maybe in the test. All right, maybe this work. Yes, this is work because we are getting permission denied because this is the server. You need to be careful in this server, and maybe you can fire it. All right, clear and cd like this. All right, and you want to display the content file. Just you want to look at this file. Yeah, you see the hello world. We can write, echo comment. Maybe you want to add or tar file or zip file. Maybe like zip ls zip. Maybe you can install the zip because the server is empty. Yes, all right. Zip test file. Yes, this is the comment. We archive this txt file, and if you want to send anyone from the server, that's it's the comment. It's zip archive.zip and your file name file test file.txt. Comment it's maybe useful. ls a, it's mean you can see everything. I mean hidden folders or files or something else. You can ls and a. You see the cache, local, ssh, and test. You see everything. Maybe sudo as admin successful. But this command is a little bit dangerous, and you want to see the size of your files. ls l. You see the file sizes, and when you create it, or clock or date and name, and who create this folder, like Ubuntu or root or maybe Tony, someone else. This is the detail of files. Probably I show you everything for file editing or create files, zip files, detail of files. If you want to ask something, please leave a comment. If you like this video, please like or subscribe, or just leave a comment. Yeah, that's it. See you guys.